Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we will know process of making basic muffins recipe. The key to making great muffins is not over-mixing the batter. Once the liquid ingredients are added to the dry, mix the batter by hand just until the flour is moistened, for no more than about 10 seconds. Too much mixing can cause the muffins to be dry, tough or misshapen, and if you want to spruce your muffins up a little bit, here's a recipe for a cinnamon streusel topping you can mix up in just a few seconds. Prep time, 15 minutes, cook time, 20 minutes, total time, 35 minutes. Ingredients, 2 cups all-purpose flour, or 2 1/4 cups pastry flour, sifted, half a cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 large egg, or 2 medium, 4-ounce butter, 1/2 stick, or shortening. Preparation, 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Combine the flour, baking powder and salt. 3. Unwrap the butter and heat it in the microwave, in a microwave-safe bowl, for about a minute, until it's thoroughly melted. Set it aside at room temperature to cool, but don't let it solidify again. 4. Beat the eggs in a separate bowl and then add the sugar, milk and vanilla to the eggs. 5. Thoroughly grease and flour a muffin pan, or use paper muffin liners. 6. Pour a tiny bit of the melted butter into the egg vanilla milk mixture and stir it in. Repeat 3 to 4 more times, adding a slightly larger amount of the liquid butter each time until it is all incorporated. Important: don't add hot melted butter to the egg mixture, as the heat from the butter would cook the egg, and that's not what you want to do. 7. Add the liquid ingredients to the dry ones and mix no more than 10 seconds. The batter should be visibly lumpy, and you may see pockets of dry flour. That's okay. It's extremely important not to overmix the batter, or the resulting muffins will be too hard. 8. Gently pour the batter into the prepared muffin pan and bake immediately. Tip: the dry and wet ingredients, respectively, can be mixed in advance, but as soon as the wet and dry ingredients have been combined with each other, the liquid will activate the baking powder and the batter must be baked right away. 9. Bake 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean.